What do you want?
Cheerios?
No, you've already had cereal. How about some banana?
No, I hate banana.
Since when?
Since every
Yeah,
time.
okay, since like a day ago? Forget it. How about some banana and some pear? What are you doing? You are not uploading this, or you're dead meat. Okay, so stop. Honey.
I'm not having that banana.
How about some pear?
I'll have some pear.
You want
With some
pear?
grapes.
Yes, sir. Your meal will be right up, sir, and I hope it'll be good, so you'll leave me a tip. Because working in this restaurant, I don't make any money. And nobody says thank you. That's not true, actually. You guys say thank you. Once in a blue moon. If I'm lucky. I'm going to give